Hello everyone, my name is Saikshi. Today I did this magic paper. We can take the marker and write on it easily and erase on it easily. I'll show you how it works. I wrote it very easily. Now see how easily I'm going to erase this. Look, it erased very easily. Now I'll show you how I did this. First take a small cover and a paper and insert it inside. Your magic paper is done. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the eraser. Eraser is nothing but the paper. I took a piece of paper and I put the insulation tape. And you can put this all the 3 times so it will become full. I have put on the insulation tape because when you erase with this, the paper might tear. So I have put on this insulation tape. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe.